Hello YouTube, it's Craig with CasWorks Woodworking. Well, it's Saturday, day 6 of this project. We're moving right along. We got to restock on some supplies. We're going to be working on some roofing, finishing up some sheathing. Hopefully we're going to start getting to the porch pillars and roof today. We'll see what the weather holds for us. Looking forward to it. Nothing really film worthy today. We had to make a supply run that took some time this morning, and then as we excavated into this area prepping for our posts, we discovered a lot of rot, so we had to dig into that, do another cement pier, so that took some time. So we did work on the ledger board for our roof above the stairwell. Then we had to batten down the hatches because it is currently raining. So hopefully it won't last long, although the forecast says it's supposed to do it in tomorrow. We'll wait and see. Thanks for sticking with me. Hopefully I'll have some more film-worthy events tomorrow. Hello YouTube, it's Craig with CasWorks Woodworking. It's day 7 of this project. We're going to have to play it by ear today. We're having some weather issues, a little rain came in last night, expected to go through the day, so we'll have to wait and see what we can get accomplished. Let's get to it. completed installing 4 posts. We got the headers completed for those 4 posts. We did get 1 ledger board up, and we finished some of the repair work down below on the decking. We're moving forward, making some good progress. Should get some roofing done tomorrow. Have a great day.